Meet Linkiki, your very own AI companion. With advanced AI inside, it's a new kind of family member.
Good morning, Mom.
Sleep well?
Fine.
With nearly 100 eye expressions and lifelike interactions, Linkiki is cute, compact, and fits right in your hand. With a Type-C port, it's always ready, anytime, anywhere. Powered by a full sensor system and AI brain, Linkiki hears and feels, responding to every touch. With long-term memory and built-in privacy protection, your moments stay safe,
Don't forget to take a break.
Okay.
even across devices.
Let's go for a picnic.
Take it anywhere with 4G connectivity. Through the app, explore its diary, shape its personality, and connect with its world. Each Linkiki has a unique personality inspired by Eastern mythology, and it sends daily diary updates straight to your app. It remembers you, engages in conversation, and grows smarter with each moment you share. Dress it up with accessories, play and spin together, and watch it come alive with adorable effects. At night, it tells stories and stays by your side as you fall asleep.
This is Diary.
Linkiki isn't just a toy. It's your companion, your listener, your emotional support. Bring AI into your life and experience the future today. Linkiki, your AI companion for every moment.